If you want to start using Pro mode on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, then here's what you need to do. So first of all, we can go to the Pro mode in the camera by simply switching to the Pro mode over here. And besides that, we have the Photo Pro mode as well as the Video Pro mode. And this can be changed over here by using this button in the bottom right corner. You can tell the difference by, for example, seeing megapixels instead of the resolution. So, if you want to find as much information about the Pro mode as possible, you can go to the camera settings. So if you swipe down, for example, over here in the middle of the screen, you will reveal those options, and then you can go to settings. Then in the camera settings, we can tap on this eye icon in the top right corner, and then we have feature descriptions where we can read about the Pro photo and everything that is included pretty much in the Pro mode, and as well as the Pro video with the description of all these different parameters and options. So once you read it, then the next thing that you can do is, of course, start configuring parameters, which can be done over here at the almost bottom of the screen. And of course, these parameters do different things. So we can start with EV. EV is the only parameter that has to be adjusted manually, and this slider lets you adjust the overall brightness of your image, and it's a quick way to make your photo lighter or darker. And the next one is S, which is the shutter speed, and this one decides how long the camera sensor is open to capture light. Slow shutter speeds let in more light, which is good for example, night photos, but can blur the motion. And fast speeds freeze action. Of course, we can adjust the shutter speed by moving left and right, and you can set it to auto by using this A letter on the left side. We have ISO, which controls how sensitive the sensor is to light, and a low ISO keeps your photo clear in bright light, and a higher ISO helps in low light, but too much of it will add the noise to the photo, so it can add grain effect. Then, of course, we have WB, which is the white balance, and this one adjusts the color temperature, so whites look white and the colors look natural. The lower the value, the photo is more bluish, and of course, if you move it to the right, then the photo becomes more orange-ish. Of course, we can also set it to automatic. Then we have F, which is the focus. This allows you to set exactly what should be sharp in your photo, and we can start, well, if you start from the left side, then you have macro objects, the smallest objects, so objects that are the closest to the camera, and then the more you go to the right, the more you try to keep larger elements in as sharp in the photo. Of course, this also can be set to automatic. Besides that, of course, we have a bunch of different additional options like filters over here, where we can apply a filter. We have these photographic styles where we can adjust the contrast, cold and warm, cyan and magenta, saturation, sharpness, and so on. We can, of course, use zooms over here. We can press and hold our finger in order to adjust the zoom. And what else? Over here in the top right corner, we also have the Leica style, which can be set to authentic and vibrant. We can switch to 50 megapixels camera. We can set the format to JPG, RAW, or Ultra RAW. And that is essentially it. And once again, if you need more information, more details about the Pro mode, then you can go to the camera settings that I had shown you in the beginning of the video. And these parameters also apply for the video modes. They are pretty much the same, they work the same way. The only difference is that you also have the image stabilization over here, and of course resolution and frame rate options. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!